Would you like to create nice motion video of your website with this engaging video visuals, also with stunning 3D mockups, 3D screen, stunning scrolling animation in a matter of minutes? So you can easily do it just by downloading template from Envato Elements, and later on you can customize it in After Effects. So in this simple tutorial you will see how we're gonna do with this wonderful template. We're gonna update the screen where we can showcase our product, our website or SaaS, whatever web product you have, even you're selling your course or just getting clients from your WordPress website or promoting your tools. So as you can see, it's already pre-animated, all scenes set up, made by designers, and the most important, it's 3D. 3D is much more expensive than 2D, so basically on a budget you can create a really nice, stunning motion design video, showcase your product to the world, and then later on you can use it in YouTube videos, for example, or promote it on a social media to showcase your website. It's like additional promo apart from search engines optimization. So as you can see, we can showcase our tool, what it do, what it does. Very nice, engaging. Every 3-5 seconds we have a new scene, so it's not boring to watch. Only later on you need to create sound design with some swoosh effects or something else, but all visual part it's basically pre-made and simply customized, and you can use it in your YouTube channel or Rumble or whatever platform you use. So as you can see, the scrolling animation, nice looking on this 3D screen. We showcase in logomotiongraphics.com website. You see all these camera movements, everything done for you, so you don't have to be motion designer. So first we go to logomotiongraphics.com and we need to create screenshots. So I'm using Chrome extension, go full page. It's creating high quality image of your home page of your website, and then we simply download it. And after we download, we proceed into After Effects and adding up After Effects template project to our panel, and we can see all the scene. What we need to do, we need to add screenshot from our home page, press S for scale and P for position, and we selecting starting and ending points of our website. And you can see we hit the stopwatch icon, and then we already get starting and ending position for our screenshot on the screen. And as you can see, it's already pop up on the screen. So next, image media placeholder, we adding up S for scale, P for position, and we selecting parts of the home page which we gonna show up on the second scene. So it's very engaging. It have a lot of different visuals. As you can see, it's already done. So we proceed into the third one. It's very simple to do, nothing difficult. We're using two options, scale and position, animating by position Y, and then selecting starting and ending keyframes. And that's it, proceeding to the next scene. Again, adding up our screenshot, S for scale, P for position, and like this, in a matter of minutes, you can create high quality promotion of your website just by adding up your visuals. And you can see, okay, adding up again, S for scale, P for position, and you get a nice 3D promo of your website with nice screen mockups and everything. So selecting ending keyframe, which will be scrolled from beginning to the end on the screen. Again, adding screenshot, scale up, and then P for position, animating position Y, You can also leave some static elements if you want, but it's up to you. Also, I like the scrolling effect on the screen on pre-animated desktop screen. Proceeding to the next image, simply adding up our screenshot as usual. After Effects, very resourceful program. If you wait a little bit, you can see this green line showing up. That's how we can preview it. So, adding screenshot again, and hit scale. And P for position. Simple stuff we're doing basically for all the scenes media placeholder. Only scale and position setup for our screenshot on the screen. Specifically for that elements which you want to promote on your website. Nice and easy. No challenging stuff. Everything is fine. Okay, adding up. Proceeding with the next screen. Again, adding screenshot. And as you know already, S for scale, P for position, animating position Y. Pressing the stopwatch icon so you can see our keyframes pops up. And you see already our skins ready. We have final render in 4K, so if you want to have a bigger desktop screen, you can just scale up, for example, to 100%, and you will see much more details on the screen. So we usually making with some backup plan. If, for example, screen look like too small for you, you can just scale up final render, make it in 4K, and scale up for HD, and you will get much bigger screen, but you will not see like all other setups on the backup. 3D motion is expensive, so if you're gonna hire motion designer to model all of those stuff, like this desktop screen, all this background stuff, all this furniture, it will cost a lot of money to make it from scratch. But like this, with simple tutorial, you can use template, just update with your details with your website, and simply you will get stunning video promo for your website, which you can use on YouTube or other social media platform to showcase your product, your SaaS. As simple as this. We adding screenshot on media placeholder, hit S for scale and P for position, selecting and making some scrolling effect. So adding up screenshot, S for scale, P for position, and selecting part of the website which we want to show on the desktop screen. We need to show footer of our website, so we're scrolling it down, we make it static, and then proceeding with the next screenshot and selecting. Here we will showcase header, and then always don't forget Ctrl S to save your project, and then as soon as you're done, simply hit Ctrl M to render your project. Very simple, nothing difficult. So we're updating the last scene, and we missed one image, so we're adding up, modifying it, selecting what we want to show, some nice visuals of our website, and simply like this, Ctrl M, select folder and hit render.